Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Today, we're going to check out WAGNER's brand new W250 18-volt cordless fence sprayer. If you're looking for flexibility and freedom without cables, this is the perfect choice for your fences, sheds and garden furniture.
The W250 runs on Bosch's 18-volt Power for All battery. Applying your fence treatment on using a paint sprayer will not only save you time and energy, but you'll get a better result using less material. When doing large areas of fencing like this, you're not restricted by cables. Now, painting a wooden bench like this would be difficult with paintbrushes and rollers. However, using WAGNER's spray paint technology allows you to spray in and around all edges of the slats. Cordless technology gives you the freedom to be able to use your paint sprayer almost anywhere. Painting with paintbrushes and rollers can leave brush marks and blemishes, which is what you don't get when using spray paint technology. For me, the only way of getting a perfect result when painting a chair like this is by using your paint sprayer.
The W250 is ideal for wood and metal paints.
Always make sure you use the correct paint for the surface that you're applying it onto.
That's my garden makeover complete with ease, using WAGNER's new W250 handheld cordless fence sprayer. And I completed the garden shed, the storage unit, the wood and metal garden furniture, and all of this fencing. If you've enjoyed our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more, and let us know what you think in the comments.